The Star Mill Furniture Collection is among the most popular collections of living room and entertainment furniture at DutchCrafters, with a wide variety of products. But it was a long road to get here. The story of the Star Mill Furniture Collection begins with an ending, when Joe Schwartz was laid off from his job at an RV factory. As he and his family struggled with the layoff, he started looking for a new line of work. His father, one of the 6 founding members of the Northern Indiana Woodcrafters Association, or N.I.W.A, owned a woodshop making bedroom furniture. He offered Joe an opportunity to start a new line of living room and entertainment furniture. As the business grew from a hayloft in a barn to the 10,000 square foot shop they work in today, it's become a family enterprise. Starting in the 4th grade, each of Joe's 6 children began to work in the woodshop before and after school, sweeping the floors and doing light chores. Their workload increased as they grew up, and several of the kids are now co-owners in the business. Joe told us,
"When me and my sons get together, all we talk is business, because that's all we know. That's all we know is just what we do."
And in 2022, Joe passed management of the Star Mill Furniture Collection to his son, Lauren, making the Schwartz family the first family with 3 generations of woodshop owners in the N.I.W.A. Today, under Lauren's leadership, the shop builds a variety of furniture styles, including traditional, mission, and transitional furniture. Joe told us,
"Transitional pieces are nice because you can make them look modern, or you can make them look like a shaker piece. Just by doing the wood, the color, and the hardware, you can make it look completely different."
The quality is exceptional, the designs are beautiful, and we can't wait to deliver your new Star Mill furniture to your home. Explore all the options from the Star Mill Furniture Collection at DutchCrafters.com. Thanks for watching. Click the link to visit us at DutchCrafters.com. Talk to you soon.